Bonjour tout le monde! Hi everyone! My name is Umut and I'm very excited to present this complete beginner French course to you. If you would like to learn French from scratch for different reasons such as exam preparation, academic, professional or personal development, you are in the right place. Over the next 6 weeks, this course will take you from 0 to A1 level French, which means that you will be able to understand and speak practical French. At the end of the course, you will be able to talk about yourself, ask and understand simple questions, read and pronounce French correctly, communicate effectively in everyday French by asking for prices and ordering your favorite beverage. First, this course will help you build a strong foundation in 6 weeks. We will cover all language skills: reading, writing, listening and speaking skills, vocabulary and grammar. Each lesson comes with worksheets, quizzes, vocabulary and practice sections where you can apply what you have learned. Second, it's an interactive course that allows you to listen and repeat after me during the course and engage with fun exercises and quizzes. Finally, the goal of learning a new language is to be able to speak it, and this course is designed exactly for that, to help you speak French. I am a French teacher with over 5 years of experience, and I have a degree in French language teaching and a PhD in French studies. I created and developed this course with my individual students and received a lot of great feedbacks from my students about my teaching style and this course. Make sure to take a look at their testimonials. First, we will start with the basics, such as the alphabet, French accents, and numbers, but quickly move on to more interesting topics. You will learn how to talk about yourself, your activities, interests, and much more. Second, you will learn some essential vocabulary used in France and Quebec to understand the menu and order your drink or food. And finally, we will cover some important pronunciation rules and tips and start speaking. Are you interested? You can start with my free lessons. See you in class. À bientôt!